Hey everyone! A while back, I made a short video about this problem, the 0xC007B error. And even after that, I've been getting messages from a lot of you saying you're still facing this issue. So today, I thought, why not make a full, detailed video on this topic and walk you through everything step by step? Have you ever tried opening an application on your Windows PC and ran into this annoying error? The application was unable to start correctly, 0xC007B. Click OK to close the application. It's frustrating, right? Don't worry, you're not alone. This is a common Windows error, and today I'm going to show you step by step how to fix it and get your apps running again. First, let's understand what this error actually means. The 0xC007B code usually indicates a problem with system files or application dependencies. Often, it happens when a 32-bit application tries to use a 64-bit DLL, or vice versa. It can also occur if Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables are missing or corrupted, essential system files are damaged, or the application itself was installed incorrectly. Knowing this helps us troubleshoot the problem more effectively. Before we dive into advanced fixes, try these quick steps. Restart your computer. Sometimes a simple reboot clears temporary issues. Run the application as administrator. Right-click the app and select Run as Administrator. Check for Windows updates. Go to Settings, then Update Security, and finally Windows Update. Installing the latest updates can fix missing system components. If the error still appears, the next step is to reinstall the application. First, uninstall the application completely. Make sure to download the correct version for your system, 32-bit apps for 32-bit Windows, 64-bit apps for 64-bit Windows. Install the application again and try opening it. Sometimes older applications require compatibility mode. Right-click the installer, go to Properties, then Compatibility, and choose an older Windows version like Windows 7 or 8. Another common cause is missing or corrupted Visual C++ redistributables. Many applications depend on these files to run. To fix this, go to the Microsoft website and download the latest Visual C++ redistributables. Install both the x86, which is 32-bit, and x64, which is 64-bit versions, even if your system is 64-bit. After installation, restart your PC and try opening the application again. If the error still persists, it could be due to corrupted system files. Windows has a built-in tool called System File Checker. Press Windows +R, type CMD, and press Ctrl+Shift+Enter to run as administrator. In the command prompt, type SFC or Scano and press Enter. Let Windows scan your system. If corrupted files are found, Windows will attempt to repair them automatically. Once the scan is complete, restart your PC and check the application again. If none of the previous steps worked, you can try some advanced solutions. Reinstall DirectX. Some games and apps require the latest DirectX version. Some games and apps require the latest DirectX version. Use Dependency Walker, a tool to check which DLL files your application is missing or incompatible with. Clean boot. Sometimes background programs interfere with applications. Doing a clean boot can help identify conflicts. To prevent this error in the future, always install the correct version of applications. Keep Windows updated regularly. Avoid manually deleting or replacing DLL files. And back up your system periodically so you can restore if something goes wrong. So, there you have it, a complete guide to fixing the 0xC007B error on Windows. Follow these steps carefully, and most likely, your application will start running smoothly again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.